question number 23, given an array with n greater than 3 elements, you can apply one swap operation on arbitrary 2 of the elements. What is the maximum number of inversions that can be reduced by one swap operation? Yeah, here, this question is a relatively hard one, okay? Yeah, relatively hard one, yeah. And it relies on a lot of analysis, yeah. It relies on, strong analysis. Okay, yeah. All right, yeah. Here, I like to do analysis on the most important property here. Yeah, so here, the property. Let me look at one important property. And then you try to use this property to answer this question. Yeah, it's a hard question. Yeah. This one of the hardest questions in this assignment. Yeah. All right. So let's consider we have array with n elements. Yeah. A1, A2, okay, yeah, dot, 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 all right. And here, let's say element AI, dot, 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 AJ, dot, 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 okay, all right. So the last element, AN, yeah, AN. Here, when we do analysis, yeah, so we like to do some, accurate analysis. Yeah, accurate analysis. Yeah, all right. So here we consider the swap operation between these two. That's very general, right? So it is a general swap operation. General swap operation. Okay, yeah. And now think about what is the impact of this swap operation on the total number of inversions. We need to study this. Yeah. If we do this one swap operation, what is the change on the number of inversions after this swap? Okay, so we study this. Yeah, so here we study. Yeah, let me write here. Study. The change of the number of inversions after this swap. Okay, yeah. That's what we need to study. Okay, do our analysis. All right. Yes. Yeah. All right, so let me write another line segment. Yeah, because here I need to mark a few points clearly here. Yeah. So AI here, AJ here, these 2 points, we need to do swap operation. All right. And you can see these two positions divide the original array into three segments. Yeah. Three segments. In this segment, there are I minus 1 elements, right? There are I minus 1 elements. All right. In this segment, how many? There are m minus j elements, right? Okay. Then between these two elements, how many? How many elements between these two? Excluding AI, AJ. Okay. All right. How about j minus I minus 1? How about that? J minus I. How about this number? This many elements. Can you see that? Minus 1. Yeah. Why? To verify. Yeah. If you are not convinced, let us verify it a little bit. All right, so we add these numbers. Yeah, the first segment, this number, we know it is correct, right? Yeah, because it's easy, the first. The last segment, we know n minus j, also correct, right? Yeah, all right. Then the middle segment, so we are not quite sure the number of elements in the middle line, middle segment. Yeah, let's do verification. This number, yeah, add these elements plus 2, that should be n, right? The total number of elements. Yeah, so let's check. Okay, yeah, I minus I cancellation, j minus j cancellation, right? Minus 1, add 2, 0. So that's n. Left hand side n, right hand side n. So it is correct. Okay. So after this verification, then we are convinced. Yeah. So the middle segment between AIAJ, excluding these two elements, yeah, we have this many. Yeah. Yeah. Because counting these numbers is important. All right. Now, when you do swap, think about what are those inversions that could change? Yeah, inversion, because when we do swap, some of the inversions could change. All right, yeah, yeah. And here you only change position AIAJ. What are those inversions that could change? Okay, all right. Yeah, here, let me write a number. Segment 1, segment 2, segment 3. Okay, yeah. All right. So you can see, yeah. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, so yeah, so that's the reason it is hard. Yeah. All right. So now we consider, yeah. So here we consider X and Y. Okay. Yeah. arbitrary two elements. Yeah, we consider. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 All right. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Because this is a little hard. Yeah. Yeah. Let me delay this question. Yeah. Because I do not have much time. Yeah. Let me delay this question. Let me talk about next two questions first. So this one, you know, I may add it later. Yeah. So today, let me talk about remaining two will be easier than this one. Yeah. All right.